Greetings everyone, welcome to video number 16 in the project management series presented by Process Geekoid. Today's agenda will be going over reviewing the PMBOK process table as well as the 13th process, which is the plan schedule management process. This process occurs at the intersection of the time knowledge area and planning process group. As always, please subscribe, like, and comment. So let's move forward. Similar to scope planning, we also need to plan for time. Recall that our project must operate within the constraints of scope, schedule, risk, and resource. Similar to scope planning, at the end of all schedule planning activities, we will have a scheduled baseline. To create that baseline, we start off with creating a schedule management plan. The purpose of this process is to establish policies, procedures, and documentation for planning, developing, managing, executing, and controlling the project schedule or timeline. Next, the ITTO's inputs, tools, techniques, and outputs for plan schedule management are as follows. For inputs, we have project management plan. That is your binder that contains all subsidiary plans and baselines. Then you have the project charter, enterprise environmental factors that are outside of the project team's control, organizational process assets, internal policies and procedures that help us govern how to plan for our schedule. And they could also include historical information, schedule control tools, existing formal and informal schedule control related policies, templates, project closure guidelines, change control procedures, and risk control procedures dealing with schedule. Those are all part of the OPAs. EEFs are things like organizational culture and structure, resource availability, industry standards, and work authorization systems. Those are things outside of the project team's control. Tools and techniques, expert judgment. Judgment for the activity being performed should be used in developing the schedule management plan. Analytical techniques, scheduling methodology. Then you have scheduling tools and techniques. Estimating techniques, which we have different types. For example, we have bottom-up estimating, rough order of magnitude estimate, three-point estimate, etc. We'll talk about that later. Formats, so different kinds of schedule plans, such as a Gantt chart, bar chart. And then project management software. This could be in the form of MS Project, Adaptive, or Artemis project management software. Rolling wave planning is plan as you go, which is similar to the Agile way of planning. In Agile and Scrum, we have different sprints. For each sprint, we have a sprint planning meeting, so similar to that. Rolling wave planning is plan as you go. Leads and lags. How much time you have ahead is a lead, and how much of a lag time do you have between two activities is a lag. How far behind you are. Alternatives analysis are alternate ways to reach the same solution for planning. Methods for reviewing schedule performance. So this could be earned value management, and for example, using schedule variance, which is earned value minus planned value, or schedule performance index, which is earned value divided by planned value. Meetings. Project teams may hold planning meetings to develop a schedule management plan. Participants at these meetings may include anyone with responsibility for schedule planning or execution. The key benefit of this process is that it provides guidance and direction on how the project schedule will be managed throughout the project. So the output of this whole process is schedule management plan. This is a subsidiary plan that governs time management and part of all encompassing project management plan. A project management plan can be thought of as a binder that contains all plans and baselines for the entire project. The schedule management plan provides guidance direction on how the project schedule timeline will be managed throughout the project. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment.